Are you wondering how to pay employees and contractors simultaneously with Deel? You're in the right place. Whether you're managing a global team or just trying to streamline your payroll process, Deel makes it super easy to pay both employees and contractors in one platform. First things first. Deel's platform allows you to pay your employees and contractors simultaneously, no matter where they are in the world. It's perfect for businesses with international teams. Deel automates the entire process, ensuring that payments are made on time and compliant with local laws. Whether you're dealing with different currencies or complex tax rules, Deel handles all of that for you. When you log into Deel, you'll notice that you can easily switch between employee and contractor profiles. It doesn't matter if your team is made up of full-time employees or freelancers, Deel handles both. All you need to do is add their details, set their payment preferences, and Deel will manage the rest. You can pay in different currencies, including USD, EUR, and GBP, which is a huge plus for international teams. Setting up payments is straightforward. Once you've created a profile for your employee or contractor, you can select how they'd like to get paid via bank transfer, PayPal, or Deel's own payment system. This flexibility allows you to choose the most convenient and cost-effective method for your team. The great thing about Deel is that it automates tax compliance for both employees and contractors. You won't have to worry about calculating taxes manually or dealing with different tax systems in multiple countries. Deel's automated system makes sure that the right taxes are deducted and all payments are fully compliant with local regulations. Deel also provides a clear overview of your team's payroll, making it easy to track all payments and ensure there are no discrepancies. You can generate invoices, review payment histories, and access detailed reports. This gives you full transparency and control over your payroll process. Whether you're paying employees on a salary or paying contractors on a per-project basis, Deel keeps everything organized and clear. One feature that makes Deel stand out is its ability to manage multiple currencies and global payments at once. This means you don't have to worry about exchange rates or international transfer fees. Deel handles it all, making the process smoother and more cost-effective. To make things even better, Deel also offers an extended free trial through the link below, where you can explore all the features without any commitment. Whether you're managing payroll for a few employees or hundreds of contractors, Deel simplifies the entire process and helps you stay on top of everything. So, if you're looking for a simple way to pay employees and contractors simultaneously, Deel is definitely worth checking out. And remember, you can access Deel's software completely free through the link in the description with our exclusive bonuses to help you get started. Take advantage of this free trial and see how Deel can transform the way you manage payroll and payments for your global team. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out the link below for your extended free trial and start simplifying your payroll process today.